Reaction video. Blackbird from California, USA. Smoking a cigarette.
Elva, free rider, Aaron Douglas, against the wind, Sigurd. Well, we're in the same spot.
He likes biking,
Right?
smoking,
We came here thinking
and drinking beer.
but they all moved.
Nice guy, though.
You still have a bunch, but not. Where did they go?
He's half Filipino, half Native Indian American, USA.
We're at the same spot. This is where I took a picture of the sunset.
I give him a 9 out of 10 on his videos. Very good.
So I rode my bike, right? And I was listening to Sundown,
Drinking Heidigen's beer.
Yeah, right. And then I was, when the lights go down in the city, right? Wheel in the sky.
Loves his beer.
I figured I would start streaming again because
I give him a 9 out of 10 on his videos, know what I mean?
so we wanted to come here and say, oh, hello, Mama Friend.
Please sub up Blackbird YouTube channel and also sub up the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel of Canada. Thank you.
Guys are on a time schedule, but they're still a bunch of
He bikes every day, keeps in shape.
Hey, Pepsi.
Good for him.
Nova. Right, I'm a little drunk. Right, let's just keep going. You guys want to look at the front?
Folgers in my cup, good to the last drop. Per coffee.
You want to look at me. Alright, so we'll just cruise a little bit. You can watch the sun go down because we're going to follow the sun. And then I guess I could pay attention.
Sub up the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you.
Everyone, shout out to wherever you guys are from. That's just a little bit of California sunshine.
Blackbird from California, Santa Rosa, California.
We should take another picture of it because it'd be the same spot.
Good videos,
right,
yes.
Let's try that. It's not. Sounds like Einstein. It's a bunch of Einstein.
Sunny in Kempful, Canada today with Dennis Ramsay.
Yeah, I don't see no Einstein. But they're coming. Oh, I could see him. Einstein, he's over here. Look.
Last night I had fish and chips, and it bound me up today. It was hard to have a shit. It was the French fries that done it. Blackbird from California, USA. I give him a 9 out of 10 on his videos.
See, this is where we were.
Nice scenery and good biking.
The trees and everything.
Perk coffee in my cup, good to last drop, know what I mean? Please sub up the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel today. Share the 21,000 films of Dennis Ramsay on YouTube.
Yesterday we were around here, oops, sorry, next to this tower and these trees and...
Y'all take care and have a nice day. Bye for now. And check out Blackbird, YouTuber from California, USA. Good videos, very good. Also sub up the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel of Kempful, Canada. Do it today or tomorrow, know what I mean? Y'all take care and have a fine day. Bye for now.
Skip around this bike trail for a minute. Chasing the sun.